Hello everyone, welcome to Maria Daily English.
I'm so happy you're here with us today. I am John.
And I am Maria.
Hey Maria. So excited for today's topic, talking about your daily routine. It's something we all do, but saying it naturally in English. That's the skill we're building today.
Exactly. And the best part? You don't need fancy vocabulary. Just simple sentences, said with confidence. That's what sounds natural.
So here's how we'll practice. We'll walk through a full day, morning to night, and shadow real-life sentences you can use right away. And because we want you to really practice, we've made this lesson a bit longer, so take your time, pause when you need to, and let's learn together.
And remember, this isn't about memorizing. It's about making these phrases your own. So relax, have fun, and let's start with morning.
Morning is where most days begin. First sentence, I usually wake up around 7.
Your turn. Say it like you're sharing your day. I usually wake up around 7.
First thing I do is make coffee.
Casual and real. A first thing I do is make coffee.
Then I brush my teeth and take a quick shower.
Routine flow. Then I brush my teeth and take a quick shower.
After that, I get dressed and check my phone.
Natural sequence. After that, I get dressed and check my phone.
I try to have breakfast before I leave.
Simple priority. I try to have breakfast before I leave.
If I'm running late, I just grab something quick.
Real life honesty. If I'm running late, I just grab something quick.
Love how these aren't perfect, they are real. And that's what makes them natural.
And listeners, if you're shadowing along, drop your son with raise hashi in the comments. We see you, and we're proud you're practicing your routine today.
Pro tip, when you shadow, add your own details. Change 7 to your time. Swap coffee for tea. Make it yours, that's how it sticks.
Yes. Okay, let's keep going. Next up, more morning phrases, because mornings can be busy. Alright, let's add a few more morning sentences, because sometimes the morning rush is real.
I set 2 alarms just in case.
Relatable habit. I set 2 alarms just in case.
Sometimes I hit snooze once or twice.
Honest confession. Sometimes I hit snooze once or twice.
I like to stretch for a few minutes before I start my day.
Gentle start. I like to stretch for a few minutes before I start my day.
I check the weather before I decide what to wear.
Practical planning. I check the weather before I decide what to wear.
If it's raining, I grab my umbrella, obviously.
Har har. Yes. If it's raining, I grab my umbrella, obviously.
I pack my bag the night before to save time.
Smart prep. I pack my bag the night before to save time.
Perfect. Now let's shift to leaving home and starting the commute.
I leave home around 8:30.
Clear and simple, I leave home around 8:30.
I usually take the bus, but sometimes I walk.
Flexible routine, I usually take the bus, but sometimes I walk.
The commute takes about 20 minutes.
Time marker natural, the commute takes about 20 minutes.
On the way, I listen to music or a podcast.
Multitasking commute, on the way, I listen to music or a podcast.
If I drive, I try to leave early to avoid traffic.
Smart driving tip, if I drive, I try to leave early to avoid traffic. Love how these sentences paint a picture of a real morning. And listeners, if you're practicing these, try adding your own details. I leave at 9. I take the train. Make it real for you.
Yes. Quick challenge so far. Pick one morning sentence and one commute sentence. Say them out loud 3 times, with your own details. Feel how they start to feel natural.
And if you want, share your customized sentence in the comments. We'd love to hear your routine.
Okay, let's keep going. Next up, arriving at work or school and starting the day. All right, let's move from commute to the start of your work or school day.
When I get to work, I check my emails first.
Work start habit. When I get to work, I check my emails first.
Then I make a to-do list for the day.
Planning phrase. Then I make a to-do list for the day.
I try to tackle the hardest task first.
Productivity tip in English. I try to tackle the hardest task first.
My morning meetings usually start at 10.
Schedule sharing. My morning meetings usually start at 10.
I take short breaks to stay focused.
Healthy habit. I take short breaks to stay focused.
Perfect. Now let's shift to midday, because lunch breaks and afternoon slumps are real.
Around 1, I take a break for lunch.
Time plus action. Around 1, I take a break for lunch.
Sometimes I eat at my desk, sometimes I go out.
Honest variety. Sometimes I eat at my desk, sometimes I go out.
After lunch, I feel a bit sleepy. Who doesn't?
Relatable humor. After lunch, I feel a bit sleepy. Who doesn't?
I usually drink water or tea to wake up.
Simple solution. I usually drink water or tea to wake up.
Then I finish up my afternoon tasks.
Wrapping up. Then I finish up my afternoon tasks.
Notice how these sentences connect. Wake up, commute, work, lunch, afternoon. That's the flow of a real day.
And listeners, if you're practicing these, try adding your own times and details. I start work at 9. I have lunch at 12. Make it yours.
Yes. Quick challenge. Pick one work start sentence and one midday sentence. Customize them. Say them out loud 5 times.
And if you want, share your customized sentence in the comments. We'd love to hear your routine.
Okay, let's keep the momentum going. Next up, evening wind down and nighttime routines. All right, let's shift to evening, because after work, the day isn't over. It's time to unwind.
First sentence, I usually get home around 6.
Time marker plus arrival. I usually get home around 6.
First, I change into comfortable clothes.
Simple comfort. First, I change into comfortable clothes. Then I start making dinner. Nothing fancy.
Humble and real. Then I start making dinner. Nothing fancy.
While I cook, I listen to music or a podcast.
Multitasking naturally. While I cook, I listen to music or a podcast.
After dinner, I wash the dishes or just relax.
Flexible evening. After dinner, I wash the dishes or just relax.
Sometimes I watch a show, sometimes I read.
Choice in routine. Sometimes I watch a show, sometimes I read.
I try to go to bed by 11.
Nighttime goal. I try to go to bed by 11.
Love how these aren't rigid. They're flexible, like real life.
And listeners, if you're practicing these, try describing your ideal evening. After dinner, I underscore. Make it yours.
Yes. Pro tip. Use usually, is sometimes, might to show flexibility. Native speakers don't say I always do this. Life isn't that predictable.
Quick challenge, pick 2 evening sentences. Customize them with your details. Say them out loud 5 times.
And if you want, share your evening routine in the comments. We'd love to hear how you relax.
Okay, let's keep going. Next up, weekend variations and flexible routine language.
Now, let's add weekend variations, because routines shift when you have more time.
On weekends, I sleep in a little.
Weekend luxury. Here on weekends, I sleep in a little.
I might meet friends for brunch or just stay home.
Social or solo. I might meet friends for brunch or just stay home.
Sometimes I do chores, sometimes I do nothing.
Honest balance. Sometimes I do chores, sometimes I do nothing.
Sunday evenings, I prep for the week ahead.
Gentle planning. Sunday evenings, I prep for the week ahead.
These weekend phrases show flexibility, and that's okay. Your routine isn't a robot's schedule. It's your life.
Now let's practice flexible language, words that make your routine sound natural, not rigid.
I usually. vs. I always, usually leaves room for change. I usually wake up at 7 sounds more natural than I always wake up at 7.
Sometimes. Is your friend. Sometimes I walk to work. He shows variety. Native speakers love a sometimes.
I try to. Is humble and real. I try to go to bed by 11. It's a goal, not a rule.
It depends. Is super useful. What time do you eat dinner? It depends. Sometimes 6, sometimes 8.
Let's practice these flexible phrases. Repeat after me. I usually, sometimes, I try to, it depends.
Great. Now try adding them to your routine sentences. I usually leave home at 8. Sometimes I take the bus. I try to have breakfast. It depends on the weather.
Love that. And listeners, if you're practicing these, try writing one flexible sentence about your routine. Share it in the comments.
Yes. We'd love to see how you're making these phrases your own.
Okay, final stretch. Next up, full day chain practice and your challenge for today.
All right, let's put it all together. Here's a full daily routine, morning to night, using everything we practiced. Shadow the whole thing, match the rhythm, the pauses, the flow.
Full day chain, I usually wake up around 7. First thing I do is make coffee. Then I brush my teeth and take a quick shower. After that, I get dressed and check my phone. I leave home around 8:30 and take the bus. When I get to work, I check my emails first. Around 1, I take a break for lunch. After lunch, I finish up my afternoon tasks. I usually get home around 6. First, I change into comfortable clothes. Then I start making dinner. After dinner, I wash the dishes or just relax. Sometimes I watch a show, sometimes I read. I try to go to bed by 11.
Your turn. Shadow the whole chain. Don't worry about speed, focus on flow. And remember, swap in your own times and details. Make it yours.
Beautiful. Notice how the day moves: wake up, commute, work, lunch, evening, bed. That's a real routine.
And listeners, if you shadow the whole chain, drop a crescent moon in the comments. We see your effort, and it matters.
Okay, real talk for a sec. Why practice routines? Because they are the foundation of daily conversation. When someone asks, "What's your day like?" you'll have the words ready.
Yes. And the best part? You don't need perfect grammar. Just simple sentences, said with confidence. That's what sounds natural.
So here's your challenge for today: pick 3 sentences from today, one morning, one midday, one evening. Customize them with your details. Say each one out loud 5 times.
And if you want to go further, record yourself saying your customized routine. Listen back. Notice one thing you like. That's your win for today.
Before we wrap, what part of your routine feels easiest to describe in English right now? Morning. Work. Evening. Drop it below. I feel most confident talking about underscore 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 because underscore underscore underscore. We read every word.
And if this felt helpful, even a little, please do us a favor. Hit like, subscribe, and share with one friend who's learning English too. It helps us keep making these for you.
Seriously, thank you. For showing up, for practicing, for trusting us with your English journey. You're doing amazing.
We believe in you. And we can't wait to hear how you talk about your day in English.
Until next time, keep practicing, keep personalizing, and keep being you.
See you in the next lesson.